Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biological Concepts. In today's video, we will discuss on methanogens. Methanogens are diverse group of microorganisms that distinguish by their ability to obtain most of their energy from the biosynthesis of methane, that is methanogenesis. These microorganisms share specific characteristics that make them unique. In today's video, we will discuss the definition, features, metabolism, habitat, structure, shape, application of methanogens. So stay tuned. First of all, we will know the definition of methanogens. Methanogens are anaerobic archaea that produce methane as a byproduct of their energy metabolism, that is catabolisms. Methane production or methagenesis is the only biochemical pathway for ATP generation in methanogens. So here it is mentioned that methanogens are anaerobes, that is, they cannot survive in the presence of oxygens, and they are archaea. They produce methane as a byproduct of their energy metabolism, that is catabolism. Methane production is the only biochemical pathway for ATP generation in methanogenesis. Now let's discuss the features of methanogenesis. Based on the 16 rRNA sequencings, the methanogens belong exclusively to the domain Archaea, belonging to the phylum Euryarchaeota. Methanogens are anaerobic organisms, that is, they cannot survive in the presence of oxygen. They are obligate methane producers. They consume carbon dioxide and hydrogen and release methane gas. Methanogenesis or methane production is the only biochemical pathway for ATP generation. They survive under extreme conditions like high temperature or low temperature, high pH, high pressure, high salinity condition. Methanogens take compounds that other organisms release under anoxic condition, and they release methane. That is the way they produce their energy. Methanogens are found in various anoxic environments. As we have already mentioned that methanogens are anaerobic organisms, so they are found in various anoxic environments. Next is metabolism. Now what is metabolism? Metabolism is a process of chemical reaction that convert food and drinks into energy for the body. It also helps remove toxic substances and helps in build or repair the cells. In methanogenesis, metabolism is done by methane production. Methanogens are known to produce methane, that is CH4, from the substrates such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen. They also produce methane from acetates, formate, methanol and methylamine in a process called methanogenesis. So this methane production process is known as methanogenesis. Different methanogenic reactions are catalyzed by unique set of enzymes and coenzymes. While reaction mechanisms and energetics vary between one reaction and another, all of these reactions contribute to the net positive energy production by creating an ion concentration gradient that are used to drive ATP. The overall reaction for H2CA2 methanogenesis, that is the methanogenesis that done by using hydrogen and carbon dioxide, is CO2 plus 4H2. It converted to CH4 plus 2H2O, that is carbon dioxide plus hydrogen, and it converted to methane and water. This delta G whisper gives free energy. It produces negative energy, minus. This minus means negative. Now, habitat, where the methanogens are found. Methanogens are anaerobic organisms, which means they live in the places without oxygen because they cannot survive in the presence of oxygens. That's why they live in places without oxygen. Methanogens are commonly found in swamps and marshes. They are also found in freshwater sediment, in the animal digestive tract. These methanogens can be found in the digestive tract of herbivores such as cattle, sheep, and camels, as well as in the large intestine of monogastric animal. Monogastric animal. Okay. And also in the intestine of cellulitic insects such as termites. These methanogens are also found in the underwater hydrothermal vents and undersea volcanoes. They are also found in wastewater treatment plant sludges. Methanogens can also be found in permafrost habitats. These huge layers of frozen ground that covers more than 25% of the land surface. The methanogens also can be found in rice paddy field and landfills. Now let's discuss about the structure of methanogens. The cell wall provides the structural integrity and rigidity to the cell. It protects the cell and helps to maintain the shape, grow, moves, and also reproduce. It also protects the cell from osmotic pressure and certain environmental changes. In methanogens, they lack peptidoglycan, whereas these peptidoglycan are found in the cell wall of bacteria. Instead, methanogens have pseudopeptidoglycan. The pseudopeptidoglycan, also known as pseudomurine. The pseudopeptidoglycan has a similar structure to bacterial peptidoglycan. The pseudopeptidoglycan is similar in structure and function, but different in chemical structure. The pseudopeptidoglycan is made up of N-acetylglucosamine, that is NAG, and N-acetyl-talosaminurenic acid, NAT. So this pseudopeptidoglycan is composed of N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetyl-talosaminurenic acids. In case of peptidoglycan, NAG is present, but NAT is not present. Instead, NAT in peptidoglycan it is NAM, that is N-acetylmuronic acid. Okay. Now this NAC and NAT, this NAG and NAT are linked by beta 1,3 glycosidic bonds. Okay, NAG and NAT are joined by beta 1,3 glycosidic bonds, whereas the NAG and NAM, which are found in the peptidoglycan layer of bacterial cell, are joined by beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. Okay, so pseudopeptidoglycan are composed of NAG, N-acetylglucosamine, and acetyl-talosaminurenic acids, which are joined by beta 1,3 glycosidic bond. Other methanogens have an S layer, which is made up of proteins that fit together like jigsaw pieces. Now, some species of methanogens like Methanolobus, Methanosarcina, and Methanobacterium can form multicellular aggregates. They form the multicellular aggregates. Now, let's discuss the shape of methanogens. Methanogens can be spherical, that is cockeye-shaped, rod-shaped or bacilli, plate-shaped, spirally shaped, or irregularly shaped. The examples of cockeye-shaped, that is spherical shaped methanogens are Methanococcus, Methanosphaera, or Methanococcoids. Whereas long or short rods, that is bacilli shaped, are Methanobacterium or Methanobrevibacter. Rod in chain shapes are Methanopyrus. Plate shaped are Methanoplanus. Whereas spirally shaped Methanospirilla, spirally shaped Spirillum. Irregularly shaped cockeye Methanogens are Methanocercina. Now, this most important part is the application of methanogens. Methanogens have been used for decades to reduce the biological oxygen demand of wastewater, that is agricultural or municipal wastewater, while simultaneously produce renewable methane as biogas that can be captured from anaerobic digesters and used as fuel. So this methane can be used as biofuel. Methanogens are widely used in anaerobic digester to treat wastewater as well as aqueous organic pollutants. So methanogens can be used to treatment for wastewater and aqueous organic pollutants. Industries have selected methanogens for their ability to perform biomethanation during a wastewater decomposition, thereby rendering the process sustainable and cost effective. These are all about methanogens. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.